recycled plastic arrives for processing. The sorting process begins immediately. Every piece is inspected and separated. Advanced robotics identify recyclable plastics instantly. Manual inspection removes contamination. Optical scanners verify material quality.
Sorted material moves to the next stage.
Automation keeps the material flowing continuously. The material now moves toward shredding.
Industrial shredders break the plastic into flakes. Powerful blades reduce the plastic to small pieces.
Screening separates the material by size.
The material moves toward the washing stage.
Operators monitor every stage of production. The shredded material collects before cleaning. Powerful machinery drives the recycling process.
Every machine works together in sequence.
The factory operates continuously under demanding conditions.
The material is now ready for cleaning.
High-pressure washing removes dirt and contamination.
Contaminants are carried away with the wastewater.
Rotating drums clean the plastic thoroughly. Workers verify the material is clean and pure. Excess water is removed before drying.
The water is filtered and reused. Industrial dryers remove the remaining moisture.
Hot air prepares the material for the next stage. The dried material moves to pellet production.
The material is now clean, dry, and ready for processing. The plastic enters the pelletizing system. Molten plastic emerges from the extrusion line.
Rotating blades cut the material into pellets. The pellets move into large storage silos. Yellow pigment is added to the pellets. The pigment blends evenly with the material. The color is blended evenly into every pellet. Automated controls maintain consistent color quality. The colored pellets move toward the molding department. The pellets are now ready for molding. The yellow pellets enter the molding system. Extreme heat melts the pellets into liquid plastic.
The molten plastic moves through the extruder.
Hydraulic systems generate extreme molding pressure.
Every molding condition is monitored in real time.
The molten material flows toward the stool molds.
Heat and pressure power the molding process. Automation controls every molding cycle. Every system works together in perfect synchronization.
The molten plastic is ready for molding.
The stool molds close under extreme pressure. Molten plastic fills the stool mold instantly. The molten plastic fills every part of the stool mold.
Pressure stabilizes the stool before cooling. Cooling channels harden the molded stool.
Steam escapes as the stool cools and hardens.
A fully formed yellow stool emerges from the mold.
Robotic systems remove the finished stool. The molded stools continue down the production line. Thousands of plastic stools are produced every day. The stools move into the cooling stage.
Powerful cooling systems reduce the stool temperature.
Robotic cutters remove excess material.
The surfaces are polished for a smooth finish.
Each stool is inspected for structural quality.
Laser systems verify precise dimensions.
Every stool undergoes rigorous strength testing. Impact tests simulate years of everyday use. Finished stools are stacked and prepared for shipment.
From recycled plastic to finished stools, the journey is complete.